Hey y'all, it's my 133rd 2017 video journal / journey, and I am about to head into my meeting that I go to every Wednesday, Awakening Your Abilities. And the wind out here is crazy. It's like blowing everywhere. The sky is very eerie, like tornado weather, possibly. Interestingly enough, I enjoy this weather. Preferably at home and having someone to enjoy it with, but I'm out and about at the library. And I had a great day. I met a friend for lunch. I did some work in the basement. And now I'm here at this meeting. So it's been a great day, and it continues to be a great day. So I hope you all have enjoyed it as well. The weather is definitely beautiful all throughout today, even with a little bit of sprinkles here and there. And now with the wind. So we'll see what it holds for us the rest of this evening. But I just want to send out love, light, and healing energy. Ask that you pass it on. And until tomorrow, take care, y'all.